An induction and operationalization ceremony was held at an operational base of Pakistan Air Force. General Syed Asim Munir, Chief of Army Staff, attended the distinguished ceremony as the chief guest. Upon his arrival at the base, Chief of Army Staff was received by Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force. The ceremony showcased the newly inducted weapon systems and defense assets of PAF. Upon his arrival, a smartly turned out contingent of Pakistan Air Force presented Guard of Honor to Chief of Army Staff, General Syed Asim Munir. During his speech, Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, provided an overview of the latest inductions in the PAF's arsenal, comprising J-10C fighter jets, air mobility platforms of C-130H, Airbus 319, Boeing 737, Piper M600 and BKA-350I aircraft. The Air Chief remarked that the latest inductions of modern radars, unmanned aerial systems like Bayraktar Ikinci, TB2 and Shahpar-2, along with swarm drones, loitering munition capabilities and long-range vectors have significantly bolstered the aerial defense capabilities of the country. He further said that the foundation for acquiring the J-31 stealth fighter aircraft has already been laid, which is all set to become part of the PAF's fleet in the near future. The Air Chief also highlighted the dynamic initiatives of PAF leadership aimed at cultivating cutting-edge human resource, revamping of training and fostering of indigenous capabilities in order to address the contemporary warfare challenges. Providing an insight into the newly established state-of-the-art infrastructure, Chief of the Air Staff said that Center of Excellence for Unmanned Aerial Systems, Center for Excellence for Air Mobility and Aviation Safety, College of Air Defense and Reinvigoration of Air Power Center of Excellence has been achieved in order to stay abreast with the evolving challenges. The Air Chief also discussed the salient features of National Aerospace Science and Technology Park, a project of paramount strategic importance operating under the umbrella of Special Investment Facilitation Council, and termed it a game changer in the technological and economic growth of Pakistan. Emphasizing the PAF's commitment to incorporating niche technologies through fast-paced strategic inductions from friendly countries and various indigenous initiatives, Chief of the Air Staff highlighted the organization's vision to evolve into a potent next-generation Air Force. He emphasized the progress achieved by Pakistan Air Force in the emerging domains of cyber and space, demonstrating the commitment of PAF leadership to ensuring an impregnable defense of the country. The Air Chief also expressed gratitude to the Chief of Army Staff for his steadfast support in PAF's modernization drive. General Syed Asim Munir in his speech commended the dynamic leadership of Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu and lauded the operational preparedness of Pakistan Air Force in incorporating state-of-the-art weapon systems, substantially contributing in ensuring the balance of power in the region. While emphasizing the significance of indigenization and human resource development, the Chief of Army Staff wholeheartedly endorsed PAF's dedication to technological advancements and operational excellence, reassuring that the armed forces of Pakistan are fully prepared to thwart any aggression. Following the ceremony, a spectacular air show featuring various PAF fighter jets, training aircraft and UAVs captivated the audience. The chief guest and attendees later witnessed a static display showcasing the diverse PAF fighter, air mobility and UAV fleet.